Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to NileandLearn.com, the University of NileandLearn.com. Your online education begins here. So today on this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to import phones from China, USA, UK. How to import original phones or original fair use phones. Okay. So first of all, there is a post, an article on this. There's also a complete course on this here in NileandLearn. So just scroll down. Let's go to our article. So to get to the article is very simple. Just click on blog and news. It will take you straight to the article. Well, I believe that article is still listed as one of the latest articles here in NileandLearn. Take note, please. I'm recording this video right here in the middle of Port Harcourt City. Okay, so noise may echo into this video, so just ignore most of those noise and focus on the content. What I'm about to reveal to you on this video. So this is the post. etc. Okay, so how to import phone from China, USA, UK to Nigeria. Okay, what I'm about to reveal to you worth thousands of naira, but today I'm making this free. So it is best for you to plan, not just to learn, but to learn and take action. Of course, ideas are nothing. What makes your idea perfect are the action you take in order to see your ideas come true. So let's scroll down. So there are so many sites to import from, mostly from China, UK and USA. Okay, there are so many sites to import from, but today I will be focusing on just a single site, and the name of that site is what? Gearbest.com. This is the name of the site. Okay, so to import phones, original phones, you can come to Gearbest. There are other sites like Alibaba, AliExpress. There are also other local sites right in China listed on what? On our complete course, the A to Z importation business course. In fact, if you want to be an importer guru, you need to get this course. Okay, but still focus on what I'm about to share with you today. So over here to gearbest.com. This is the name of the site. Okay, now just as you can see, these are categories, and our focus for today are what? Phones, mobile phones. Okay, so when you take your cursor to a mobile phone, it will give you a list of features of mobile phone they have. As you can see, there are so many Samsung series are here, Samsung phones are here. Then over here you can see, let's come back, you can see featured phones, smart watch phones, unlock phones, 4G light phones. So let's go to 4G light phone. Okay, of course what I'm about to reveal to you are more of 4G light phone. Okay, unlike here in Nigeria, if you want to buy a 4G light smartphone, you should be budgeting original 4G light phone. You should be budgeting from 50 to 60, 80, 100 and something thousand naira ups. Okay, but here you will get powerful, super quality I'm sorry, 4G light phone for less than 35,000 naira. Okay, so just take a look. These are some of them. Let's return back to NileandLearn. I have ordered some, and some of my students has equally ordered some. Of course, you should be in business of what? Profit. If you are importing any phone above 40,000 naira, take note, it's more difficult to sell those phones unless you are a core phone dealer. Okay, so if you are just starting small, it is better for you to bring it down. Go for phones that are less than 30-something thousand, so that you can sell them from 40,000 up. When you go to for phone that you will buy for 30,000, then you will be budgeting to sell them for 50,000 naira up. It is somehow difficult to see buyers here in Nigeria. Of course, more of Nigerians believe that the country is hard. My brother. Oh my God. So let's scroll down. Now, first of all, before you import phone from China or any other country that is not Nigeria, and you are importing them for Nigeria user, take note, you need to consider band. Okay, the device should support band 1, 3, 7, 20. These bands are compatible with most of the network providers here in Nigeria, such as the MTN, the 9 Mobile, the Airtel, the Smile, the Glo, the Enter, the Spectranet, etc. So first of all, on the phone description, read everything about the band and make sure that the band are supportable. Or best, you contact the developers of the phone, okay, the suppliers or marketers of the phone, and ask them if the phone band are supported by Nigeria Mobile Network providers. Okay, so there are other China sites you can import from. All you need to do is just to click on this importation business course, okay, and you are done. Now let me show you, there's something I would like to show you. Now one of those phones are Blackview. This is Blackview. As you can see, if you come to what, to Gearbest, you will discover that this phone is there. Okay, you can see some of the specifications. I have already listed them. So these are what you should do before you import any phone. Read their description, the specifications. Okay, it's very, very important. There are also video description. Okay, as you can see, this phone comes with a video description. Once you click on it, the video will do what? It will pop up and you can watch it. This is the video. If you click here, you can watch the video free of charge. Of course, I don't want to do that. So sometimes some of the phone that came with video description, also go and watch their videos. Do a review. Watch the review and description on any item you intend to import. Okay, so another one is here. Just go through this article and you will see a list of about 5 phones that are listed for you that you can import from China, okay, via this site for less than 35,000. One is even 20-something thousand, and believe me, you can sell it up to 40,000 naira here in Nigeria. Okay, so it is very, very easy. Now what you do before you head to this site, you need to learn and understand the A to Z of what? Importation business. And here in Netherlands, we have a course for the A to Z of what? Importation business. So we have a complete course on the A to Z of what? Importation business, and that is, here is the course. So just come here and order the course. Currently now we are selling it for just below 3,000. It will teach you both the marketing. It's not all about importing goods from China, USA, UK. It's all about marketing. Okay, how do you intend to market here? Here you will discover so many things. Unlike on marketing, you will discover even how to do what? Market on Jumia, Konga, OLS, Amazon, GGs are trying these days, eBay, and Dubizu, which happens to be a Dubai classified. Okay, in fact, this site is killing it. Okay, you can sell on this. You can import from most of this site and sell on Dubizu, which is Dubai. And believe me, so Nigeria will also come here and buy your products and bring it back to Nigeria to sell again. Okay, so this importation business is a killer. It's a must-have for everyone. So as you can see, we have to pay your money is also here. Okay, and that is my account, Mbono Watson. So once you make your payment, send us your email address. We will send you the download link to the course. Now these are the course. Unlike on the introduction, you can see introduction to importation business, understanding importation business, understanding mini importation business and normal importation, requirement for what? Importation business. Then on part 2, where to import from, website to import from, country to import from, things you can import, 5 steps to importing sources. In fact, we cover the A to Z of importation business. Everything you need to know are right in this course. So to say, you can see part 2 again, marketing. Marketing is very, very important. Marketing with bulk SMS. We will give you access to all the bulk SMS, all the GSM numbers, active GSM numbers in Nigeria. Okay, you can concentrate on the state you are. Okay, so what am I to say? Before you head to what? Gearbest and start ordering any item, first of all, order for this our course. It will save you a lot on both delivery. Okay, both delivery, how to order and have your item delivered straight to your house or straight to any of the nearest NIP post in your state. So my name remains Mbono Watson, and this is what nairalearn.com. You can also come to Nairalearn for other super powerful courses. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you.